guys, it's Emily. So right now we are finally doing 2010 of Makeup Through the Years. 2010, it seems like literally yesterday that I remember what 2010 was really like. Honestly, like, I truly didn't wear makeup during that year. Obviously, I didn't wear makeup till like 2013. So it was like kind of hard to figure out the trend of 2010's makeup because I didn't wear makeup. And 2013, that's when I started getting into like wearing like eyeliner and all that good stuff. But if you guys do want to see a video of what my makeup was like in 2013, I will definitely do that. But guys, I just want to tell you guys, we are literally 2 videos left besides today. So we're 1 video down, and after this there's 1 more video, and then Makeup Through the Year series is officially done. I had honestly so much fun doing it, so I'm gonna make these last 2 videos the best. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this 2010 makeup look. I really try to do research, but there wasn't much information. It was just more pictures, which didn't help me. So I'm gonna definitely attempt this and go off my own knowledge and the pictures and stuff like that. But yeah, give this video a fat thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell to always be notified of my videos. Hit the subscribe button, and let's get this started. First off, I'm going in with a facial wipe, taking off any oils and dirt and any past makeup from the night before. Now I'm going in with my Fit Me foundation and just gonna go in with my beauty blender and just spread that all out. Foundation, matted foundation was a big thing back in 2010, so I'm putting a lot on my face and I'm just blending that out with my beauty blender and on my dark spots and my dark circles, and just getting anywhere where it needs to be blended out. Now I'm going in with my NYX concealer. I haven't used this in a minute, that's why I'm using this. And I use the shade Fair because it blends perfectly with the foundation color, so it doesn't look like 2 different shades. And then I'm going to go back in with the same beauty blender and just blend that out. Now I'm going in with my NYX contour and highlight palette and putting bronzer on. From what I read, 2010 bronzer was a big thing. If any of you guys remember Jersey Shore, they always had a lot of bronzer on, and a lot of celebrities had a lot of bronzer on. So bronzer was a big thing back in 2010. Now I'm going in with my Born to Run palette, and the look that I'm going for is, I found this makeup look off this Victoria's Secret model. It was like brown and then it was like a grayish smoky eye. So that's the look that I was going for with this makeup look. It was smoky eye and like brownish bronze shimmer on the eyes was a big thing back in the 2010. So that's the look I was going for, and you guys will see an image at the end of this video. So where I'm putting the brown is in the inner crease of my eye, and I went in for like a lightish, darkish color, and then I'm gonna blend it out with my blending brush. I was actually having difficulties with this because I am left-handed, and it's very hard to blend with my left. I usually use my right when I do makeup, which is funny because I am left-handed, but I kept going in with the brown and working my way up to blend out the brown. And honestly, I was following the image next to me that I found from 2010, so it was also hard to multitask. Now I'm going in with some highlight, my ColourPop highlight, and from the image it looked like they put highlight on the eyebrow bone, so that's where I'm going to place some highlight on my eyebrow bone. If you didn't stand out with like your makeup, I guess in 2010, I don't know, but highlight on the eyebrow bone, I still do that sometimes, it just depends, but yeah, I put some highlight on my eyebrow bone, and then I'm just blending those two out just to make sure everything is in place. Now I'm going in with this shimmery grayish black, and I'm putting that on the base of my eye, and honestly it looked exactly like the image that you guys will see at the end, but this color was so nice, and it really, I was like a little skeptical about brown and gray mixing with each other and black, so I was like, it just threw me off for some reason, so that's why I was like, smoky eye, yeah, it was a big thing back in 2010, but these two to three different colors was not for me. I'm usually a person that likes to match, especially when it comes to eye shades, so I'm just blending that out with the brown with my blending brush. This is one of my favorite blending brushes, and I'm working my way up, and I'm probably, most likely, I think I did add more brown to the inner crease. Yeah, I did, obviously. So I added more brown, a little darker, to give myself more of like an intense inner crease, and I had to wipe down my blending brush because it had all these blended colors mixed, so I didn't want it to throw off the look. And you guys can obviously tell I was struggling again, so I had to like literally look at the camera and just blend it all out. Now I'm going in with my NYX smudge proof eyeliner, and I'm gonna put that on the top of my eyelid. And I feel like smudged look eyeliner was a thing in 2010. Wing wasn't a thing yet, so what I did was I put some eyeliner that I seen on the image that I had. Now I'm going in with my ColourPop highlighter, and I'm just going to put that in the inner corner of my eye because I didn't realize that the picture that I was following, she had some highlight to make her eyes pop, and I usually do that for any makeup look I do. I just feel like it really brings out the look and the eye look. So I put a lot, as you guys can tell, because it wasn't getting pigmented the way I wanted, so I just kept adding on very lightly with a concealer brush, and I was just dabbing that in place. Now I'm going in with my L'Oreal primer, and I'm just using that on my lashes. This is like one of the best things I invested my money in, was the L'Oreal primer mascara. It is definitely worth my money. It is inexpensive and it's definitely worth it. So I definitely suggest for you guys to get it because it definitely does justice. If you want your lashes to look long and you want to go out just with mascara, this really does justice with making your lashes long. And also, after I'm done with the primer, I'm going in with my telescopic L'Oreal mascara. And honestly, if you guys see how little the brush is, it definitely does the justice that it needs to do. It definitely makes my lashes super longer than what I actually have. My lashes are long, but not as long as I would love them to be. But this mascara really does what it needs to do, especially for people that have not many lashes or lashes that fall out. So I wanted to go more for a natural look with the 2010 look. Falsies was a big thing back in the 2010, but I wanted to go with my natural lashes and just show you guys that, you can still go natural in 2010. But after this, I'm going to go in with my NYX eyeliner. And I feel like eyeliner on the waterline was such a big thing back in the 2010. So in 2013, I did use a lot of eyeliner on my waterline, and that was like my go-to look. So 2010, I noticed that was a big thing also, but it was more like smudge-like look. So I went in with my brush and just made it look smudgy-like. Okay, so now I'm going in with my NYX nude lip liner, and obviously you guys can tell I was wiping my hands because I had so much black all over my hands from my eyeliner. But I'm just making lip liner around my lips and just try to make it more dramatic. The colors back in 2010 were more of like the deeper reds, the browns and stuff like that. So I wanted to bring the look with a brown shimmer on my lips with a matted lip liner. Okay, so now I'm going in with a shimmer lip gloss, and I felt like it definitely brought my lip liner together with the shimmer lip gloss. It definitely pulled the look together, which I was really happy. But yeah, it definitely made my lips look huge, the lip liner. I've been obsessed with lip liner, so you guys are going to be seeing that more often in my tutorials now. I'm still trying to learn how to do the outlining better because I'm not good at tracing anything. So, yeah. Lastly, I'm going in with my Mario setting spray and just setting my face. Okay guys, so this is the final makeup look. I did like a brown grayish smoky eye type of thing with highlight and highlight in my inner corners. I'm actually gonna put an image somewhere right here to show you the eye makeup that I did. I actually did an eye makeup that a Victoria's Secret model did in 2010. So that's the look that I was coming for. And then of course, I had to do the Snooki Bump It, the puffball, whatever you want to call it. I used to do this so much back in 2010 and honestly till 2014. This was my go-to hair for a very long time. It looks a little lopsided and it's not as like puffy as I want it to be because I don't have the right clips for it, so I had to use my butterfly clips and just try to make it like poofy like. But this is the final 2010 makeup and hair style. So what do you guys think? Am I spot on or am I don't know. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give this video a fat thumbs up. And leave your comments down below of what you guys think of my 2000 look. And there will be a montage after this outro. So stay tuned for the montage. I will see you guys in my next and last makeup through the years of 2020 makeup. Bye guys.